Assalamualaikum guys, we are back with another unboxing video after a short break. This time I'm going to unbox a premium product. Yes, I mean it, a premium product. It's been a pleasure doing these videos for you guys. I have a brand new product in my hands. It's Beats Studio 3 Wireless.
Familiar, you're familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
Beats headphones are the most popular brand in the world. This brand was bought by Apple in 2014 for $3 billion. Without any further ado, I'm gonna unbox this product. It's fully wrapped in plastic similar like smartphones. I'm gonna use a paper scissor to cut this open. I am opening this first time. There might be mistakes. Okay. I think it will open similar like smartphone from here, or yes, it will open from here. This will go right there, and you can see the Beats logo here. So I'm gonna use a little bit of force. Okay, change the way you hear sound. Yes, this is the carrying case for the headphones. There's a space separator also, the Beats logo, and a quick start guide right here, some paperwork. Okay, I'm gonna put this right here. This is the this is a 3.5 millimeter jack and a motor cable also. You can see the logo here. This is the universal USB cable with fast charging. There's a clip right here. Okay, that's it, I think. So this is the carrying case, a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, a USB fast charging cable, and a clip right here, some paperwork. That's it for the unboxing. I'm gonna open this carrying case. Okay, so let me open this up. This is the main product, the headphones we were looking for. Here are some buttons. Okay, I think there's a sticker. I'm gonna remove this. So this is the main button, 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, and this is the space for the USB, universal USB fast charging cable. Okay, these are very soft. Let's have a look at the official video by Beats. As you can see on the box, the headphones are in midnight black from the Skyline collection. You can buy Beats Studio 3 wireless headphones for $350. In this price range, you can also buy a gaming console or a mid-range smartphone. As I told you earlier in this video, this is a premium product by Apple, so you have to spend some money to buy it. have already seen in the video, this product supports noise cancelling. If you fully charge this product, it will stay active up to 40 hours without noise cancelling on. And if you turn on noise cancelling, you will face a battery time of 22 hours. That's also impressive. The most important thing that is way much attractive in this product is its battery time. Normal Bluetooth headphones can't stand a battery time that long. But if you buy Beats Studio 3 wireless, you got your battery problem solved already. It's way more excellent because if you charge it for 10 minutes, you will have a 3-hour battery time. So if you are an college guy with lots of worries in the morning and you have a shorter time to charge your things up, this product is the right choice for you. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video. I personally like this product. It was way too much impressive listening music on this product. Make sure to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Keep supporting us. Allah Hafiz.